What is an artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI systems can be designed to learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks autonomously. There are several different types of AI, including rule-based systems, expert systems, neural networks, and genetic algorithms, among others. These systems are designed to solve specific problems or perform specific tasks, such as playing chess, recognizing faces, or understanding natural language. AI has numerous applications in various fields, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and education. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work, but it also raises ethical and social concerns about privacy, bias, and job displacement.